Welcome to our video on how to refactor Python code using Claude AI. Today, we'll explore the power of Claude AI for improving code readability and maintainability, teaching you essential skills for efficient code refactoring.
Welcome to our channel. Did you know that over 50% of developers spend most of their time refactoring code? Today, we're diving into how Claude AI can revolutionize this process for Python developers. In this video, you'll discover how to set up Claude AI, identify refactoring opportunities, and use AI to automate code improvements. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to leverage AI for code maintenance can dramatically boost your productivity and code quality. So, let's get started and transform your coding workflow.
To start refactoring with Claude AI, we'll first need to set it up within your Python environment. Begin by installing the necessary packages using pip. Ensure your Python version is compatible, typically 3.6 or higher. Next, configure Claude AI for optimal performance by adjusting settings that match your coding style and project requirements. Integration with existing tools like Versus Code or PyCharm can streamline your workflow, allowing seamless code suggestions and refactoring options. We'll walk through a few common setup challenges and how to troubleshoot them, ensuring Claude AI runs smoothly on your system.
Before we refactor, we need to identify which parts of our code need improvement. Messy, repetitive, or overly complex code are all great candidates for refactoring. Look for common indicators such as long methods, duplicated code, and poor naming conventions. Prioritize the code sections that will benefit most from refactoring, potentially improving performance or readability. Tools like linters or static analyzers can help detect issues and suggest areas for improvement. Prepare your codebase by documenting current functionality to ensure changes maintain intended behavior. With these insights, you're ready to leverage Claude AI effectively.
Now that we've identified what needs improvement, let's use Claude AI to automate the restructuring process. Claude AI offers features like code suggestions, restructuring options, and AI-driven improvements that take the guesswork out of refactoring. Automation handles tedious tasks like reformatting code, renaming variables, and extracting methods, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your project. We'll walk through an example where Claude AI transforms a complex function into a more readable and maintainable structure. The benefits of automation include increased productivity, consistency, and fewer errors.
Refactoring isn't just about making code look prettier, it's about making it more readable and performant. Start by simplifying complex logic, breaking down large functions, and using clear, descriptive names. Claude AI can suggest improvements that optimize code logic, reducing execution time and resource usage. We'll compare a code snippet before and after refactoring to illustrate these improvements. Key strategies include removing unnecessary computations, utilizing efficient data structures, and adhering to Python's best practices. The result is code that's not only easier to read but also runs more efficiently. A critical aspect of refactoring is ensuring that your code continues to function as intended. Before starting, document the current functionality and create test cases to validate behavior. Use automated testing tools like PyTest to run these tests before and after refactoring. This ensures changes haven't introduced any bugs or regressions. Claude AI can assist by suggesting refactoring options that maintain existing logic. By maintaining functionality, you safeguard the reliability of your application, delivering confidence that improvements won't disrupt user experience or introduce errors. Following best practices ensures that your refactoring efforts are safe and effective. Adopt techniques such as refactoring in small, incremental steps to minimize risk. Establish a regular refactoring schedule to continually improve code quality without overwhelming your team. Peer reviews and feedback are invaluable, providing fresh perspectives and catching potential issues early. Integrate refactoring into your continuous integration and deployment pipeline to automate testing and ensure consistent quality. Claude AI can enhance these practices by offering suggestions aligned with industry standards, helping you maintain a robust, scalable codebase.
Once you've refactored your code, it's crucial to conduct thorough reviews. Code reviews provide an opportunity to catch missed issues and receive valuable feedback from peers. Effective reviews involve clear communication, focusing on understanding the changes and their impact. Collaborative feedback fosters a culture of continuous improvement and knowledge sharing. Utilize automated testing frameworks to validate the correctness of refactored code, ensuring it meets all functional requirements. Finalize the refactoring process by documenting changes and updating any relevant documentation. This step solidifies the improvements and prepares your codebase for future challenges. Thank you for joining us on this journey through refactoring Python code with Claude AI. We've covered setting up Claude, identifying refactoring opportunities, and ensuring functionality. Now, it's your turn to put these skills into practice. We invite you to comment with your thoughts, Share this video with fellow developers, and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to vote on future topics you'd like to see. Your feedback helps us create the content you need to succeed in your coding endeavors. Until next time, happy coding!